What's up, everybody? Take number 2 today. What the fuck is that, man? Look at that car. What's going on there? Today that fucking... Oh shit. Well, never seen that before. Well, anyways, welcome back at take number 2 of my video. What I'm saying, take number 2. Shut up, freaking Cena. The reason I'm saying take number 2 because yesterday I recorded a video. I was trying to make a video for you guys, and I got the video and everything, but no audio. That thing happens once in a while with the GoPros. You start recording, you hit record button and start recording, but you don't get the audio. Happens once in a while, and it happens to me yesterday again. So I was so excited trying to talk to you guys for like a 20 minutes ride, talking about my channel, man, about how happy I am because my channel is growing so fast right now. I got like 200 plus subscribers in the past month, so I wasn't expecting the channel to grow like that fast, to be honest with you. And I mean, I've been doing this for like quite a little while, and I'm doing it for fun, just a hobby, because I like recording videos. I'm really about talking to the camera, talking to by myself technically. Oh, look at that little Porsche. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. Well, yeah, man, it's kind of, if you are more a blogger or you are a blogger, it's difficult talking to the camera, talking to yourself, kind of weird. But yeah, man, yesterday I tried and audio fell so badly. But today I'm back again. Today I'm with the Dyna. Yesterday I was doing it with the Yamaha, with the FZ. Hopefully today I got the audio right. But yeah, man, I was talking about my channel, how I got the 200 plus subscribers in 1 month, and that means people start liking a lot. I mean, more of my videos. They're watching my videos, and they're subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're new to the channel, I invite you to go ahead and click the subscribe button and share my videos, man, and like my videos if you like. I mean, if you know, that's fine. I mean, I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching the videos. But yeah, man, I was going full into the video yesterday, talking, and there you go, no video. No audio. I can show you a little bit of what happened yesterday. And oh, it's a Harley right there. And I was saying the channel is growing, and I'm about to start selling my merch on my channel. I think I'm gonna do that because I have a few shirts that I ordered and a few shirts I already gave away. But I'm thinking about giving away shirts for now. Start giving away shirts and stickers, which I already have. I have my stickers. I'm gonna put it here on the screen somewhere so you can see them. And I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. And also I'm gonna do keychains. I think I'm gonna start selling those. If you want to support my channel, we appreciate that. I mean, like I said, I was doing the channel just for fun, but I mean, it's already growing. I'm gonna put more time into it. I'm gonna dedicate more time to my channel. I've been doing 1 video a month. I'm doing long videos. I've been doing short videos and shorts YouTube videos, and I'm gonna put more time into it because, like I said, the channel is growing. And I'm also, like I said, I'm gonna start doing my merch, selling my merch in here, and giving away stickers. If you're in the area here in Phoenix, Arizona, or Mesa, Chandler, Tempe, Glendale, Peoria, if you like a sticker, let me know. Hit me up, send me a message, and we can meet up somewhere, and I can drop you off a sticker. Maybe later on I can start doing the shirts. We'll see. Maybe when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away some shirts for sure, and some keychains, which I haven't done it yet, but I'm planning on doing it now. So yeah, man, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to my subscribers. And if not, you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna try to make more content more entertaining content. I don't want to do only my motorcycle videos. I'm gonna try to do what I was planning to do on the very beginning, doing a food review. I don't want to say food reviews because who I am to review food. I'm just gonna go and try new foods, new places, and maybe I can show it on the channel. But I don't want to do only like motorcycle content. A little bit of everything. It's gonna be a little bit of everything. And yeah, man, freaking happy. This thing is working out pretty good to me. After I've been doing this for about a year and a half, maybe 2 years, uploading videos. Yeah, if people really like this, I'm gonna put more time into my channel. I'm gonna start doing maybe 2 videos a month. I mean, summertime is really hard for me to do videos. In the summertime, it's too hot. It is really hot here in Arizona. If I do it, I'm gonna do it at nighttime, and at nighttime is not a lot to do. I mean, it's not a lot to show, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try hard. I'm gonna try to be more into the channel, more content for you guys. But yeah, man, today, if you haven't seen my videos, you haven't seen my other videos, and you're wondering what I'm riding today, I'm riding my Dyna Straight Bob 2016 Dyna Straight Bob club style. And I got a few more other bikes, other motorcycles, no bikes. You're gonna think it's bicycles. I don't have bicycles. But yeah, man, hopefully you like this video as well. And again, I just wanna say thank you guys for subscribing, and thank you guys if you're gonna subscribe. Go ahead and push the subscribe button, notification bell, and share videos, man. And shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you guys, and see you guys later. Bye.